G'day everyone, this is Daniel O'Grady. Hope you're doing well. And first thing, straight off the bat, I've got to say, I got a comment on Instagram from someone, a long-time commenter on YouTube, who was not aware that I was on Instagram. I am on Instagram, WasabiCars Official, do check it out. Now today's car, check that out. It is a Nissan Sunny GX-T. I've never seen this grade and I'm going to learn a whole lot about it. Okay, and here it is in all its rusty goodness. And I've got to find out more from the owner about the grille and whatnot. He'll be rocking up a bit later and we're going to see the interior and the engine as well. But that grille, I can't say I have seen that. I'm not familiar with that at all. So yeah, I want to find out what year it is. But it seems to be highly spec'd. Just looking at that bumper, that extra bar on the bumper, the overriders. But anyway, let's check out this grade. GXT, and then GXT badges there. What does it say here? NAP, so it's got that anti-pollution stuff on it. 1400, now this is unusual. This is interesting because when I've seen a 1400 in this body, not quite, it's been a Nissan Sunny Excellent, which is the Rocket Sunny, which has different tail lights, different sheet metal up front. So I am interested to see what's going on under the bonnet. Twin carburetor. Huh? Twin carburetor.
Yeah.
Oh,
This HB211.
B211.
Yeah, HB211.
Yep, 1,397 cc, 92 metric horsepower. Yeah. So the color is of course a silver. It's got this amazing stripe. I'm loving it. Gold and blue, or is that blue and gold? Yeah. Now, what do we got here? 64. 64. Is that Showa 64? Rust. This is sad. See, this can't be good at all. Then we've got rust down here, down the post. Yeah, that's just not good, people. Now looking here, the tail lights seem to be the familiar ones, but again, the trim up the top and the badges of course look very, very different. Now I'd like to know what the deal is with that L and this embellishment here. I'd like to know more about that. But very cool. Let's have a peek under here. Yeah, I just wanted to get a sense of the condition, of course. And again, on the bumper we've got those extra bars, extra overriders as well. Now the wheels, cosmic aluminium wheels. These are period wheels from back in the day. Now the interior, and I'm hoping he's going to rock up soon and move this forklift, but 3-spoker. I really like that steering wheel. It's also on the S10 Silvia. And the trim on the seats is a beautiful blue velour. 4-speed manual gearbox. We've got some aftermarket Sony stereo equipment in the console as well. We've got some under dash aircon over there. That's cool. And yeah, great layout of the dash in these. Very, very cool. Now in the back seat, Nissan Sunny Kumamoto. Okay, so that pack you see right there would have had the manual in it and some paperwork from Kumamoto, so that's where it came originally. Very interesting. And we've got those doilies, crocheted looking, that lacy half seat covers. No grandpa spec car should be without them, of course. Okay, there you go, 70,000 Ks on the clock, and as I said before, the layout's super sweet, easy to see. I like it a lot. Dig the steering wheel too. Would like that. Yeah. I'm not sure if the OEM, what's that about? Oh, okay, some whatever. Nice option there. Very cool. ばいね。